Hello, my name is Lisa Parker Adams and I'm the Director of History and Education for Cairnwood. Today I'm going to answer one of the questions that we often hear during our tours. Why is there so little original furniture with Cairnwood? The short answer for that is that all the special pieces that were in the home originally were generally passed on from one generation to the next, and family members inherited pieces over time. I'm going to tell you about this pretty little desk right here because it's a great example of a piece that was passed down several times and then has made its way back to Cairnwood in the last 5 years. I'm going to demonstrate how it opens. This desk was most often associated with Mildred Pitcairn. We have some pictures of Mildred here. It has a patent date on it, 1897, so it may have predated Mildred's time here. It may have belonged to her mother-in-law, Gertrude. So we don't know for sure, but Mildred was here in the house from 1910 until 1939, and she used it here during that time. Now we have displayed here some pretty little stationaries and things that belonged to Mildred that were used during the 30s. Part of the history of this desk is that Mildred passed it on to her oldest daughter, Gabriel. Here's a picture of Gabriel here, and Gabriel used it for many years. At some point in time, some of Mildred's pieces were boxed up, things that were left in the desk. There were some sentimental letters and things that Gabriel held on to for many years. Now, Gabriel passed this desk on to her oldest son. And one of the items that was in the collection of pieces associated with this desk is this wonderful little notebook. The cover says Correspondence Register. And this notebook was used to record all of Gertrude's questions and communications with little details that she wanted to be sure to go over with her architects of Cairnwood Estate, Carrere and Hastings. We have Gertrude's signature here and 2008 Spring Garden Street, which was the address that Gertrude and John lived at in Philadelphia before moving into Cairnwood. The writing is very difficult. There's all kinds of really wonderful little details in here. And what this notebook demonstrates for us is that Gertrude Pitcairn really was the project manager for Cairnwood Estate. She was the one influencing changes in the designs. So in our next little segment, we're going to go into a little more detail of some of the contents of this notebook and what it was like for our staff member to transcribe this notebook.